Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about theorem related to circle. The angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Now when you observe, here we are going to learn about angle subtended by an arc and the double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. So these are the 2 points which you need to consider. So now for this case we have 3 different sets of circles. We have 3 cases. In the first case, we are going to consider the minor arc PQ, which is on the minor arc. And here in the second case, it is on the semicircle. And in the third case, it is on the major arc. So now, this is the angle which is subtended at the center. POQ is the angle subtended at the center. What you need to prove here is, you need to prove that the POQ is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. So now you need to prove that it is twice the angle PAQ. In all the 3 cases, the naming is same. So let's see how to prove this. First, we will write down what is given in the figure. Given is an arc PQ subtends angle POQ at the center. And angle PAQ at point A, that is this point, okay, at point A on the remaining part of the circle, on the remaining part of the circle. Next, to prove, we need to prove that angle POQ is double the angle PAQ. Angle POQ is double the angle PAQ. Before proving this, we need to do a construction here. So we will see what's the construction you need to do. The construction is, now we need to draw a line through AO. So you can see here the point A and O. A and O is a radius. So now you need to join the point and extend it and name it as B. So this should be done for all the 3 cases. All the 3 cases you need to do. Mark this point here. So this is by construction. So whatever we have drawn here is by construction. So we will quickly write down what is the construction we have done. Construction is, draw line B through AO. Now we will see the proof. Now we will start with the proof. We have drawn the line here, and you can observe that this polygon has been divided into two triangles, that is AOP and AOQ. Now I will consider triangle AOQ. If I am going to consider this triangle, we can see here this is the exterior angle formed. So now this exterior angle will be equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. So these are the interior opposite angle. So now this is same for all the three cases. So this is the exterior angle. This exterior angle will be equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. So we are going to use this property, and the proof is going to be same for all the three cases. So first we will write down angle BOQ is the exterior angle of triangle AOQ. So now when you consider this as the exterior angle, you can write BOQ is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles, that is OAQ plus angle AQO. Angle AQO. And it's going to be same for all the three. And you can write the reason as exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. And now AO and OQ are the radii of the circle. We know that AO is equal to OQ, and they both are radii of circle. AO is equal to OQ, so they are the radii of the circle. And once when you show that these two, that is AO and OQ, are the radii of the circle, you can show that in triangle AOQ, if AO is equal to OQ, this becomes an isosceles triangle. And you know, in an isosceles triangle, if these two sides are equal, the base angles also will be equal. That means OAQ and OQA, they both will be equal. So we will make use of that here. So I will just write down in triangle AOQ, AO is equal to OQ. So it is an isosceles triangle. Since it is an isosceles triangle, you can write angle OAQ is equal to AQO. Here the base angles are equal in isosceles triangle. So now what we will do, we will take this as equation 1 and we will try to substitute, instead of AQO, I will substitute as OAQ. So I'll just write down BOQ is equal to, I'll give this as equation 2. BOQ is equal to OAQ plus, instead of AQO, I am going to write it as OAQ only. Just now we have shown here using equation 2. So now this is twice of it. So I can write BOQ is equal to twice of angle OAQ. Okay, give this as equation 3. Now we can write similarly. So now you can see here AOQ is a triangle which we have considered and we have shown these two angles are equal. Then the same way you can show the other triangle also. We can show that exterior angle BOP is equal to exterior angle, here this angle you can show, BOP will be equal to these two angles. Again these two are isosceles triangle, so these two angles will be equal. The same way we are going to show for all the three cases. So it will be equal here, here also it will be equal. So we will just write down here. Similarly, angle BOP is equal to twice of angle, you can write BOP is equal to twice of angle OAP. OAP. Give this as equation 4. No need to prove this once again, because once when you have shown, the steps are going to be same. In the previous case what it is, the same way you are going to proceed. So no need to write the steps once again. So now we need to arrive at the result POQ is equal to twice of PAQ. So when you observe these two angles BOQ and BOP, when we add these two angles we will get POQ. So we will just add 3 plus 4. Equation 3 plus 4 when you add, you will get angle BOQ plus angle BOP is equal to twice of angle OAQ plus twice of angle OAP. So when you add these two, you can see here BOQ and POB, when you add you will get POQ. So I'll just write down that. So POQ is equal to twice of angle OAQ plus OAP. You can see OAQ and OAP. These two when you add you will get PAQ. So now POQ is equal to twice of PAQ. So this is going to be same in all the three cases, when it is on the semicircle and when it is on the major arc and when it is on the minor arc. It's going to be the same. So you can just have a look of all the three cases, it's going to be the same. So this is the proof. So we need to show that POQ is twice of PAQ, and now we have arrived at the result. We have arrived at the result, and hence it is